So the very first pattern I'm sharing with you is McCalls 8492. It's a vintage pattern. It's representing fashion from the 70s. It's top and dresses in various lengths, mini, midi and maxi. I think this kind of collar neck and yoke is very much on trend in today's world. So that's why I was very intrigued and I picked it up. Also, it seems like it's a pattern that is friendly for cotton fabrics. So now it's going to be spring and summer months, and so this would be comfortable. So these are the line drawings, and I picked it up in the bigger size pattern. So it's available in up to 24 at least. I think it's a new release. Let me check the year. Yeah, it's a 2024 re-release of this vintage 70s pattern. So I really like it and I'm going to make it very soon. The second pattern is Know Me 2038. I had my eye on this pattern for quite some time, but I was in two minds because I was not sure if the halter neck is going to look right on me or not. But the dress is very cute. I like it in both lengths, in the mini and in the maxi. And of course it's a Nomi pattern, which means we have a sew along available. And also it's very size inclusive. This packet goes up to 26. So yeah, it's a 2023 release, so of course it's easily available. I have not seen too many YouTube people show it or make it, but if I make it, I will definitely share with you all. So the next pattern I have is McCall's 8253. As you guys might have seen, cutouts are very much on trend, and this dress pattern gives the option of color blocking as well as a cutout. And the cutout is not too crazy, especially if you go with view D. It's very modest, but still gives a trendy look. This pattern is rated easy. Also, it's a learn to sew level 2. I think I saw it on Sewing Bee inspired patterns last year. Although it's from 2022. So I think in the last year's Sewing Bee, there was a pattern which was using cutouts, and after that I saw people recommending this pattern. So I had my eye on it since then. Also, I made few knit dresses very recently. Last three of my makes have been all knit dresses. So once again, I am in love with knits and with dresses. So I decided to pick it up. It's a 2022 Learn to Sew pattern. Let me show you the line drawings. So it looks very pretty and very doable, and also it's rated as easy, so that's why I got it. Also, I believe there is a sew along. I think by Brittany J. Jones. She has done a sew along on it, and yeah, so interesting pattern. So the pattern number 4 is McCall 7047. This is also for stretch knits, and this is a pattern where we can hack it in multiple ways. And as you can see, we can make beautiful party wear evening dresses with this pattern. Here are the line drawings. I am really liking this gown, although it might be difficult, I'm not sure. I don't think it would be an easy pattern. I think more like this purple one and this red one. And of course also this one that the model is wearing. Now this is also from 2022. So it's 2 years old but not very old. So I'm sure you guys can find it. So I am really interested in this and I really like it. So I will be creating something and will be sharing with you all very soon. Another pattern which is more for party wear or evening look, McCalls 8113. So I'm very intrigued by this overlay dress, although I'm not sure that I can carry the dress that on the top that the model is wearing with the spaghetti strings. So if I make it, I'm going to make something sleeveless but not spaghetti string to wear underneath. But I'm loving view B. If you have satin fabric, crepe back satin, I think that will really hold its shape and we can make it for a holiday party. So I'm very much intrigued by these peplum style tops and dresses. And this has been on my list of to buy patterns, but now I think I've collected enough patterns that I'm going back and I'm really scrubbing through the catalogs to see what is still missing from my collection. So now I'm being very choosy because I have a good collection of basics. So now I'm trying to venture out into something that I can create for party wear or evening look. The next pattern I have is McCall 7774. It's from 2018 and it's these four different dresses. So I think I'm getting a lot of bang for my buck because all these dresses are different. It's not like okay, just the length variation is different. No, it's the whole dress is different, as you can see. So you're getting four different dresses with four different necklines. And I'm liking what the model is wearing, this longer one. For these, I'm always worried about the V-neck being too big, then I have to wear camisoles underneath. But still, it's a very cute silhouette, and I was surprised I had not picked it up earlier. So, in my opinion, a really beautiful pattern. The last pattern in today's collection is McCall 7315. Is this handkerchief style dresses. I don't have one, so I want to create one for myself. I have collected a lot of silky type fabrics from Joann's and I like sewing with the satin and georgette and those kind of dressy fabrics. So I think that I'm going to find a really nice use for this pattern, and it looks like it has a V-neck and a boat neck type of a neckline. So very interesting. It's from 2016 and here are the line drawings. So yeah, that's the last pattern. So I'm very enthusiastic, and I will try to sew up more of these dresses as quickly as possible. I love sewing dresses even a lot more than tops, or I hardly sew any pants or skirts. It's all about dresses for me because that's the reason why I learned to sew, since I find it hard to find dresses for my body measurements because of my tummy issue. So when I am sewing, I can adjust the waist according to my measurements and make it totally customizable. So I think today's collection is a really good mix of dresses that you can sew up for casual parties or evening wear. So I hope you found this collection inspiring. And if you did, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you all have a great evening. Enjoy the rest of your day wherever you are. And thank you for tuning into Viva Sew and Style. Please come again soon. Bye bye.